Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop. This is March the 17th, and I guess everybody is kind of settling down over the panic. I did see a really funny Facebook comment this morning. Two people went to the post office, and they had masks on. And the people were all kind of panicking. Do you have the coronavirus virus? No, this is a holdup. And everybody relaxed. So anyhow, let's all make a bunch of humor out of what the media is trying to run the country. Yes, everybody's hearing. And you know, I'm not a Pelosi fan. And over the border, she needs to go. You know, she don't want to protect our border, so she needs to go over the border. Anyhow, enough said. I'm not a political person. I never want to be. I support our president, and I'll always support him. And hopefully we can get this thing under control soon, because it's a shame that they shut down our churches, our schools, everything over we can't say CNN, or can we? Well, we better not. But I just said it. Anyhow, the news media running with it. Okay, today is going to be a mixed video. I do like to continue the video so you know that we're not just sitting around. Even though I hadn't been feeling good, feel a lot better today. Got my old black glasses back on, still my ones that have 250 power. So anyhow, it was a little blurry the other day. The blood sugar went up through the ceiling. Let's get off of that. On the Jubilee carburetor today. And first thing is, I got these parts from the Jubilee on Amazon, which is over-the-hill tractor parts. And you know, yes, the carb kit is an OEM, and I am tickled to death. I mean, when I got on there, they had great reviews. So anybody that's watching our videos, and we're doing the Jubilee along with the CJ5, the Corvette, and other projects, you need tractor parts. Over the Hill is a great supplier. They said it was going to be here in like a week, 3 days they were here, and I'm going to show you the parts. Let me see if we cannot get down here with this camera and zoom down. But all the parts that are sent, these here, every one of them is, I mean, it's really good OEM. The gaskets are nice and thick. Everything to rebuild the complete carburetor. Yes, I could have chose to buy one of those Taiwan carburetors and gambled on it, but I'm very happy with their product. And so this afternoon, well, it's 7 o'clock in the evening, I'll probably be out here to 10 or 11 and get this carburetor put together. Let's I'm gonna move the camera, bear with me. And I was working today on putting in the ring. The pinion's already in, but I've got to go now. I don't own, yet a proper bearing puller. So we're gonna go over here to this other table, excuse our mess. But I have the correct bearings, the right number, the 310s, and but here's the race that came out of the original one, and the races that they sent me, they said the numbers were going to match. This is our local supplier that handles Timken. They're 30 thousandths thinner than the original races. So now then I'm going to have to pull and shim till I get the proper, 6 thousandths backlash. But I want to let y'all know that we got numerous projects going, and you know, today was a great day. We got a probably good chance of 4 to 5 more days of rain here in Texas. Feel for you folks that are in the north, across the Rockies. Y'all could get some heavy wet snows and stuff. Brian, Maria, Matt over at Metal Shapers, I don't know what y'all gonna get. I think it's gonna actually slide up, looks like, and miss y'all and going up to New England. We hope it does. And y'all that are subscribing to Metal Shapers and Bear's Rod Shop, we stay pretty in touch. And he hasn't built any or has not made any videos much past that J20. Brian, we need your videos because you keep us excited. And also my subscribers asking about tractors and Jeeps, etc. You guys keep us excited. And us old folks gotta keep focused and keep going, and hopefully our videos will share some of our knowledge. We want you to come back and please subscribe and thumbs up. Finally, wash the thumb before I did the video. Didn't get it in any grease this time. That's kind of rare, but anyhow. And I don't have my ball cap on today. I've got a migraine headache of some kind going on. I never get these, but ball cap was kind of giving me a headache. So come back, subscribe, and we will continue. Hopefully we get that old Jubilee to fire up here when the weather lets up and show it running. It needs serious parts. Everything that you could think froze up is froze up on it. Not the motor, but you know, brakes, the generator, etc., which will go away. We'll put a one arm, you know, alternator on it and go to 12 volts. So please again, subscribe, come back, and we'll try to keep these videos rolling. Try to keep your interest, and please comment. You know, I love the comments. I don't answer them probably as quick as I should, but also the C3 Corvette, the owner's coming over this weekend. We'll be assembling doors, regulators, etc. Start on the dash, start putting the front end together, rear bumpers and everything on, and then go to the interior. So that'll be another one that will continue on episode 3, the Corvette. So please again, thumbs up, subscribe, and please share. Yeah, when you share, and if we grow, maybe we get up to 10,000 viewers, we're going to offer t-shirts, and be any size, but I guarantee you they'll be quality if we do that. I used to give every one of our customers on interiors a really nice ball cap. It was embroidered. It had Bear's Rod Shop and some of the other logos around it. But please come back and see us. Thank you.